So my name is Tom Cichosz. I work in IT and healthcare. I'm a system engineer. I've been working at my current company for about 4 years now, but I've been in the industry for about 15. So we've probably been using it integration with Dell and CrowdStrike for about 6 years maybe. We have a lot of end user devices out there. I think about 1,000 or 1,200 right now, and each one has CrowdStrike installed on it and uses the Dell Trusted Device platform for protection against BIOS attacks or any other attacks that may happen. The fact that it can give us real-time analytics in CrowdStrike, and on top of that, it detects if there's any anomalies in the computer at the BIOS level, which is excellent to have. You wouldn't see that normally with a normal antivirus or a normal security software. Wouldn't integrate with the BIOS, but the fact that it does means that you get an enhanced layer of protection with CrowdStrike, more than you would see with another product. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. Normally, you're dependent on the OS for recovery actions, but in this case, you don't need that because it happens at the chip level. It happens out of band, like you said. Before the OS is booted, you can make recovery choices, and that is extremely important. You always need an out of band, and on end user devices especially, if that's possible, that changes the whole landscape. Normally, out of band is only for server level devices, but this changes that. This adds an extra layer of protection that you wouldn't normally see. The fact that it can actively scan memory without any hit on performance on the PC or server devices is incredible. I think previously, in maybe years before, we would see performance hit from this kind of software, but the fact that CrowdStrike integrated with Dell does not cause any performance hit on the end user or the performance of the computer in general is an amazing thing. It is probably the best performing antivirus software I've actually seen. Extremely. Again, normally in the past, you wouldn't see that level, that lower level of protection and visibility. The fact that that's there now and you can view it from a centralized console adds definitely a layer of confidence that you didn't have previously while working in the field. OS level detection and reporting is one thing, but the fact that you can go lower level than that and get to the BIOS level of things really adds visibility that you wouldn't have before from a security perspective. You can see if there are attacks at a layer that wasn't previously accessible. Yes, there is a return on investment, and I will say that there are times that there have been detections that we wouldn't have previously seen, and it saved us a lot of time, especially with CrowdStrike's SOC that they use. It saves us as a team a lot of time investigating that normally we wouldn't have to spend, or normally we would be spending. So the fact that there is reporting up to the cloud and there's a team that's monitoring and can tell us and give us advice of what to do saves us tons of hours. To get the full picture of any attacks that would have been prevented, for us, maybe 80 hours have been saved per year. Go for it. I mean, you have all of the features that you'll need for a modern enterprise. You have the visibility, the protection, high-level protection, low-level protection, and everything in between. Go for it. They're both huge name brands, and they've really improved, and they're just great products in general.